Time stands as one of our most precious resources, yet effectively managing it remains a common challenge. A survey conducted by the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals reveals that 25% of individuals experience daily feelings of overwhelm due to their workload, with inadequate time management frequently identified as a contributing factor. In this video, we will delve into 5 strategies for time management that have the potential to enhance productivity and alleviate the burden of overwhelm. Establishing clear goals and priorities, crafting a comprehensive to-do list, your time through scheduled blocks, employing the Pomodoro technique, cultivating focus while steering clear of distractions can acquire the skills to optimize your time utilization and achieve more within shorter time frames. Effective time management begins with setting clear goals and priorities. Understanding what you want to achieve and identifying crucial tasks facilitates prioritization and focused effort. The SMART goal framework, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, provides a useful tool for goal setting. For instance, transforming the vague goal of improve my fitness into the SMART goal of complete 3 45-minute strength training sessions per week for the next month provides clarity, measurability, and a specific deadline, streamlining effective time allocation. Maintaining a to-do list proves an effective organizational tool. Listing tasks along with relevant details and deadlines enhances organization and focus. By having a comprehensive view of pending tasks, individuals can prioritize effectively, reducing the risk of feeling overwhelmed. Different approaches, such as using a physical planner or digital task manager like Trello or Asana, cater to diverse preferences. Breaking down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps fosters a sense of accomplishment and eases the perceived burden of complex projects. Time blocking involves allocating dedicated time slots for specific tasks or activities. This strategy promotes focused work, discouraging multitasking, which can be counterproductive. Realism in estimating task durations and minimizing distractions during scheduled blocks enhance the effectiveness of this technique. Strategic planning, such as scheduling multiple blocks for a significant project throughout the week, replaces fragmented work, contributing to better outcomes. Dedicate specific time blocks to distinct tasks, like responding to emails or working on a particular project, and minimize disruptions during focused work periods. The Pomodoro technique, a popular time management method, enhances productivity by breaking work into 25-minute intervals called Pomodoros, interspersed with short breaks. Regular breaks help maintain focus and prevent burnout. By setting a timer for each Pomodoro, individuals can work with heightened concentration, knowing that a break awaits. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break to recharge. This technique optimizes productivity by leveraging the power of focused work and strategic rest. In today's digital age, distractions abound, making it crucial to cultivate focus. Minimize interruptions by turning off notifications, closing unnecessary tabs, and creating a dedicated workspace. Practice mindfulness and deep work techniques to train your brain to concentrate for longer periods. Additionally, consider using productivity apps or browser extensions that block distracting websites or limit screen time. By consciously managing distractions, you can reclaim valuable time and direct your energy towards meaningful tasks. By implementing these 5 strategies for time management, you can take control of your schedule, enhance productivity, and reduce feelings of overwhelm. Remember, effective time management is a skill that can be developed with practice and consistency. Start small, experiment with different techniques, and find what works best for you. With dedication and perseverance, you can unlock your full potential and achieve more within the limited time you have. We hope you found these strategies useful and are eager to implement them in your daily routines. We would love to hear about your experiences and any additional suggestions you might have, so please share in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.